y'all. Go Cardo, go back again. Looks like we got another ride on the channel. Scat Pack is sitting somewhere. Looks like we got another car on the channel, another truck. May I present to you guys another Dodge Durango. This one is not a V6. This one's a V8, 5.7 liter, all-wheel drive, of course, because they do come in rear-wheel drive, but this one's all-wheel drive. No, the Scat is not gone. Scat Pack is not gone. This is the winter vehicle. As you can see out there, guys, it's a little wintry out there. New year, new mods. I got almost every mod that I'm going to do on this Dodge Durango already ready, sent over by the sponsors. So this is going to be a legendary build. Yes, we're going to build some things on here, not necessarily build a motor yet, but we're going to be building a lot of things. Y'all know me. Y'all know I'm all about art, all about designing the car the way that I want. This isn't necessarily the color that I would have chose, but this is going to be dope. This is going to be legendary. Let's take a look at it real quick. So here you are, guys. Dodge Durango. It's an RT. Drives great. It's all-wheel drive. This one's definitely going to be fun. The wheels, 20-inch wheels. We're going to be changing those. We're going to be changing a lot of things on here, guys. Those of you who know me, you know me. You know when I get a car, I'm going to do something different on it. I remember the first car that I got. It wasn't on the channel, but I did some mods to it. I had a Mustang, and you know, I was doing some things and changing some things up. Then I got my first Charger after I started growing my family a bit more. Got my first white Dodge Charger. It was a 2010 Charger, and I changed that up, and then that got in an accident when someone hit that car, totaled it out, and then I got me the Tux. If you guys remember all the way back to my first YouTube video, that was my second Dodge Charger. I was modding and things like that. That was legendary, and thank you to you guys for you know, for helping me build the channel, building a presence with that car. Thank you to Dodge for reaching out to me since that car. Then I got the Scat. That was a crazy build. Still not necessarily done with it, but you'll see more on that. And then I got this Durango. I had another Durango actually, and then I gave that to my bro. Now I got me another Durango. This one, I couldn't pass up the price on it. It was great. Shout out to my wife, and shout out to Elite Auto Exchange, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, for making this one happen. I had to scoop this up. Yeah, Elite Auto Exchange up in Ohio. I had to scoop this one up. This was a legendary purchase. I needed something for the winter. Icky snow right here. Kind of crazy, but yeah, needed something. This one caught my eye. I've been snooping around them Dodge Durango forums, asking and seeing, you know, what it takes to build one of these, and we shall see. Like I said, every mod that I really wanted with this Durango was sent over by, let's see, Vicrez. If you know what Vicrez brings out, we got a lot of stuff coming from Vicrez, a lot of stuff coming from Fonz, from Dip Your Car. Believe it or not, we got a lot of stuff from, I can't tell you everything, but we got a lot of stuff from several sponsors that are coming through. No Limitz Car Designz, RULER Gallery. We got a lot of different things coming through. This is going to be interesting. This already has a cold air intake. This already has a mid-muffler delete. This Durango, not necessarily the color I would have chose. I believe this is Redline Red, if I'm not mistaken, just from looking at it. I didn't look up the pin code to see exactly what it is, but I like it. It's different. I never would have necessarily chose a red car or a red truck or whatever, but it pops on this Durango. Makes it look good. Pops with the seats and everything. Let me give you a little intro on the inside real quick. The thing I do like about this, it is heated seats and everything like that. It's all leather with the red. Looks good with the red. Don't worry about that. So it looks good. Nice infotainment system. Captain's chairs, you know, for the winter right there, and for the vinyl wrapping. But it's good. I like it. I definitely like it. Black on black. Definitely gonna be doing some cool things with this. I really like how this drives. Drives great. Has a 5.7. It's interesting, never had a 5.7. I had a 3.6 V6. I have a 6.4 V8. Now I have a 5.7 V8. So 5.7 fam, holla at me. Tell me some mods that you guys would do on this Durango. I definitely like it. All right, guys, so let's hop in real quick and let me show you what it sounds like when you start it up. Let's start it up here. mid-muffler delete has the rear still on there, so it sounds just right. It's not as loud as the Scat Pack that I have, and that thing is loud. But this right here it sounds great, especially when you get on the gas. It sounds great. Sounds great. Oh yeah. I definitely like it, guys. What do you think? Tell me what you think. Does that red pop or no? I think it does. I think it does. I'm gonna be doing a few mods. Already I can see that grill I'm gonna black out. This section right here, I'm actually gonna black that out so this continues all the way back. That's just nitpicking already. But I already have some things I'm gonna be adding to this in my mind. Actually already at home. The day that I purchased this, sponsor sent over a lot of mods. So yeah, just give you guys a hint. I'm gonna be adding yellow. I'm gonna be adding black and forged carbon to this. Let's head on inside to see what it drives like. Safety first, seatbelt on. So what it sounds like, let me roll the windows down just a bit. Here's what the 5.7 mid-muffler delete sounds like. You can already hear a nice difference. I feel like I'm coming from the 3.6 V6 again, going to Hemi for the first time again. I haven't driven a Scat Pack since, I'd say early December, because I got this about early December, so I haven't driven a Scat Pack since. And you know, I've been itching to drive another Hemi, and praise be to God, I was able to, you know, get this. Again, big shout out to the fam, big shout out to the support. This is a great purchase. I like the Hemi. I'm back in the Hemi, so this feels great. Let's see, I'm gonna do a little tiny pull, see what this V8 sounds like, this 5.7. Ready? I love it. That's with the windows cracked just a little bit. So let me put the windows up, and let's hear what it sounds like. Just so you guys, you know, you're riding along with me. You're in the passenger in spirit. You're in the passenger seat in spirit. All right, let me itch out here just a little bit. All right, here we go, guys. Little pull. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay. Yeah, the 5.7 has some growl to it. Definitely gives you that. I love it. Okay. The 5.7 is it's solid. I like it. I hope you guys heard that. That sounded amazing. It's not the Scat Pack type of power, but it is all-wheel drive, and it's a 5.7. It's still a Hemi. I can't oh, look at that. Look at that the stripes on there. Anyways, I can't exactly describe it, but those that are 5.7 owners, you know, like, this sounds pretty solid. I like it. It's definitely loud. It's definitely loud, and I will say that the all-wheel drive paired with the 5.7 does give it a certain je ne sais quoi, just a certain get up and go. Like, it's different. It's different than the Scat Pack. The Scat Pack rear-wheel drive. This one's all-wheel drive. Of course, different motors, but I like the way that this drives. I like the way that this gets up and goes. It's definitely good. It's definitely a keeper. It's an amazing car. A lot of people say it looks like a van back here. I get it, but there's some things coming that's going to be changing that up quite a bit. Yeah, I know I'm going to be adding some wrap and some vinyl to it to change it up. I'm going to be adding some color to it with the red to be changing it up. It's going to be something different. I like it. The way that it sits, smooth, aggressive, normal. And a lot of people, of course, they're going to be telling me, okay, keep it normal, keep it like this, don't do anything to it, blah, 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 blah. I'm an artist. I'm a graphic designer. I've been doing this since I was 7 years old. You all seen my last builds. I love doing what I do. I got a space to do it. Shout out to my wife for telling me, go ahead, do it. She's one of my biggest supporters. Shout out to my fam. And most of all, shout out to you guys. Yeah, shout out to you, because I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you being able to show other people what I do. And even if I wasn't on YouTube, I'd still be doing this, to be honest. Like I said before, I was doing this before I started my YouTube channel. I just got another vehicle to do it with, and we're gonna keep going, guys. I wanna be able to grow with you guys. You guys tell me some suggestions on what I should, what I shouldn't do. Tell me what you think down below. Was this a good buy or was it not? Again, this is a family vehicle. It's gonna be a daily driver for inclement weather in general, so I have other options. Also got a Lexus at home as well. This one is gonna get the Go Cardo Go touch, if you will. 2025 is gonna be great, a great year for this. So again, thank you guys for rocking with me. I know it's been a minute since I've been putting videos out, but I've still been working in the background, I promise you. I got a lot of other things that I'm doing, the clothing line, the shoe line, graphic designing, rapping. Follow me on Instagram, Go Cardo Go. Follow me on TikTok. That's another thing I gotta bring up. Follow me on TikTok before they possibly shut it down again, right here, okay? Follow me on Facebook, Go Cardo Go, all the way. If you guys have any questions about any mods that's coming through or anything that I should do on here, put it down in the comments below. I actually read all the comments. I comment to everybody. I comment back to everyone. So let me know what I should do, what I shouldn't do. Let me know your experiences with Durangos. Let me know if you like Durangos. I cross-shopped these Durangos. Believe it or not, I cross-shopped these Durangos with Toyota Highlanders. Other SUVs are in the same general segment, and I found that this one is the best option for me. And yes, I am a little bit biased towards Dodge because I love Dodge vehicles, plus I'm acclimated to how they drive already, but I found that this one is actually the better purchase, believe it or not. A lot of people think that the reliability would be with Toyota, but if you drive and maintain these right, these seem to be the all-around better vehicle in the SUV segment. If you want something that's pretty cool, especially if you're a Dodge or a Mopar enthusiast like I am, you definitely would want to get you a Durango. And I'm going to give you some, 5 things I love, 5 things I don't like about this in the time coming. But in the meantime, I got some mods that's sitting at home waiting to be on this Durango and ready to show the world what I can do with an SUV when I put the Go Cardo Go touch on it. Like, subscribe, share down below. Let me know what you think. Was this good? Was this bad? Was this whatever? Let me know. This is Go Cardo Go. We outie.